Hey, welcome back to the Summary Spot. Today, we're jumping right into the first 12 laws from Robert Greene's iconic 48 Laws of Power. But here's the thing. These aren't just your typical rules. Nope. These are strategic power moves that can help you navigate the tricky world of influence, control, and success. Whether you're looking to climb the ladder in business, master social situations, or just get a better grip on how power plays out in everyday life, these laws are the ultimate toolkit. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's go! Alright, kicking things off with Law 1, Never Outshine the Master. Now, this one might sound like a no-brainer, but trust me, this is where a lot of people trip up. When you're around someone who's higher up, your boss, a mentor, or even a socially powerful person, you don't want to make them feel threatened. The second you outshine them, you're no longer the helpful sidekick. You've turned into a rival. And believe me, they'll make sure to put you back in your place. So, what do? Be smart. Be humble. Let them feel like they're in control, while you're quietly playing the game behind the scenes. They stay happy. You keep climbing. Win-win. Now, on to Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Sounds a little harsh, right? But Greene nails it. Sure, it feels natural to trust your friends, but friends can get too comfortable. They might even get a little envious. Enemies, though, they've got something to prove. Once you win them over, they can be even more loyal than your friends because they know they need to stay on your good side. So, yeah, keep your friends close, but keep your enemies even closer and put them to good use. Next up is Law 3. Conceal your intentions. This one's a game changer. If you're the kind of person who always announces their next move, you're basically handing people the keys to your strategy. That's a recipe for disaster. Greene says the real power lies in keeping people guessing. When you're unpredictable, no one can plot against you or steal your ideas. Let them think they've got you figured out while you're actually 3 moves ahead. Remember, mystery isn't just intriguing, it's powerful. Now, Law 4, always say less than necessary. I love this one. Think about it. When you talk too much, you run the risk of saying things you'll regret or spilling too much information. And let's be real, people who talk nonstop can come across as insecure or trying too hard. Instead, Greene says, less is more. When you speak only when necessary, your words carry more weight, and you create an air of authority and mystery. People will hang on to every word you say. Moving on to Law 5. Guard your reputation with your life. In the modern world, whether it's online or in real life, your reputation is everything. It's like your personal currency. Once it's damaged, it's tough to rebuild. Greene advises that you be vigilant in protecting it. Don't let slander or rumors go unchecked. A solid reputation is like armor. It shields you from attacks and opens doors to new opportunities. Lose it, and you lose a lot more than just face. Law 6. Court attention at all costs. Okay, in today's world full of distractions, being invisible is the fastest way to lose power. Greene's advice? You've got to stand out. Whether it's through bold actions, a unique personal brand, or memorable ideas, you need to make sure people are paying attention. The more eyes on you, the more power you have. But be careful. It's got to be the right kind of attention. You want to be bold, but not reckless. Now, Law 7. Get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. Okay, this one sounds a bit ruthless, right? But in the world of power, efficiency is key. Delegation is a skill. And if you can get others to handle the legwork while you focus on the big picture, you're already winning. Just make sure that when it's all said and done, you position yourself as the one who made it all happen. It's all about leverage. On to Law 8. Make others come to you. Use bait if necessary. This law is all about flipping the script. Power dynamics shift when you're the one doing the chasing. Greene says the real power is in making others come to you. How? By offering them something tempting, whether it's in negotiations, business deals, or even personal relationships. But the key is keeping things on your terms. You're in the driver's seat, always. Now, Law 9. Win through actions, never through argument. How many times have you been in a pointless argument that just went in circles? Exactly. Words rarely change minds. Instead of wasting time debating, let your actions speak for you. Results are undeniable and they're way more powerful than words. When you show people what you're capable of, they have no choice but to acknowledge your power. Here's one that might seem tough. Law 10. Avoid the unhappy and unlucky. Sounds a bit brutal, but Greene's point is this. Negativity is contagious. If you surround yourself with people who are constantly complaining or unlucky, that energy starts to rub off on you. Instead, seek out those who are positive, successful, and driven. They'll help lift you up instead of dragging you down. Next, Law 11. Learn to keep people dependent on you. If people can get along just fine without you, you lose leverage. The goal here is to make yourself indispensable, whether it's in your job, friendships, or personal relationships. Be the source of something unique, something valuable that no one else can provide. When people need you, they can't afford to let you go. Finally, we've got Law 12. Use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim. You don't always have to be ruthless to gain power. Sometimes, a little bit of well-placed honesty or generosity can work wonders. Greene teaches that a carefully timed act of kindness can break down someone's defenses and make them more open to your influence. It's all about the timing. Use it to win trust without losing your edge. And there you have it, the first 12 laws of the 48 laws of power. Each one is a powerful lesson in navigating life's power plays, whether it's in your career, social situations, or everyday interactions. Power isn't about being aggressive or cutthroat. It's about knowing when to act, when to hold back, and how to influence those around you. Master these, and you'll be well on your way to gaining real influence. Thanks so much for tuning in to The Summary Spot. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for part 2, where we'll tackle the next 12 laws. See you next time.